Hi, I'm Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on our Audi and Volkswagen 3-liter TDI oil change kit. This particular oil change kit includes 9 liters of the Revenol VMP 5W30, a MAHLE original oil filter, and the drain plug. Revenol VMP carries formal factory approval from Volkswagen for the 50700 oil quality standard. This is the only oil specification that should be used in your 3-liter TDI diesel engine. If you don't specifically see the oil approval from Volkswagen specifically indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper oil for your engine, and in most cases is an inferior quality oil. What really sets this oil apart from other oils in the industry is Revenol's Clean Synto technology. Clean Synto is a higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically been used in the industry today, and it features a highly advanced additive package engineered in Germany. When compared to other popular synthetic oils on the market today, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. And that's just a few of the many features of the Revenol VMP. To learn more about the benefits of using Revenol VMP, you can visit our website. Our oil change kit also has a MAHLE original oil filter with the necessary seals and O-rings for the replacement. MAHLE is an official OE manufacturer and has been supplying many of the German automakers such as Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Porsche, and Mercedes. They've been supplying many of the German automakers for decades. MAHLE refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their oil filters, always using OE quality materials, capacity, construction, and flow rates. As well, the drain plug, which is the identical design to the original, and as well it comes with the sealing washer. So that's what's included in our oil change kit for the Audi VW 3-liter TDI diesel engines. If you have any questions on our BLAU oil change kits, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.